Now we will study about the factors which affect climate of India. The first factor is latitude. You have already studied as we move from low latitude region, that is equatorial region, to high latitude region near to pole, the temperature starts decreasing. The temperature of tropical region is more than temperature of temperate region, and the temperature of temperate region is more than the temperature of polar region. So according to the latitude, there is a change in temperature. In our India, Tropic of Cancer runs through almost middle of the country. So most of the India lies in the tropical and subtropical zone. So the temperature is quite high throughout the year. Second factor is altitude. Altitude means height of the land. Temperature decreases with increase in altitude. As we go up in the mountain, temperature starts decreasing. The places in the mountains are colder than places in the plains. For example, the temperature of Birpara is higher than the temperature of Darjeeling, as Darjeeling lies in the high area. As for instance, Simla and Ludhiana are situated in the same latitude, yet Simla, being located at higher altitude, has a cooler climate. The northern belt of mountains has cold climate all throughout the year because of high altitude. Ooty in Nilgiri in South India and Mount Abu in Rajasthan are pleasant hill stations which remain cold throughout the year, even though they are situated in hot regions and relatively close to equator. So altitude affects the temperature. Next factor is Himalaya. The Himalayas lies in the north, stand as barrier against cold wind. The cold wind blowing from China are obstructed by the Himalayas. So North India is warm or mildly cold during winter season. In summer, the same phenomena makes India relatively hot. But this mighty mountains also forces the monsoon wind to set most of the moisture within the subcontinent and cause 3/4 of the India's rainfall. Next factor is distance from ocean and seas. Places which are situated away from oceans and sea have extreme temperature, like in the central India, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, etc. In these areas, extreme temperature occurs, whereas the area which lies near to the sea and ocean, near to the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, experience similar temperature throughout the year. In interior part of India, or which are away from the seas and ocean, summers are hot and winters are cold. But these effects are moderate in coastal area because it lies near to Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal. After that, the next factor is coastal areas and places near the sea. On the other hand, the coastal areas have a more equable climate. Equable, the word equable means same type of climate with much less difference between summer and winter temperature. The places which lies near to the sea and ocean regions experience same type of temperature. The ocean acts as storehouse of moisture for winds they blow from sea towards land. The high-lying regions in mountains have lower temperature than the plains. In the mountainous region, climate is determined mainly by altitude. Next factor is wind. When there is a difference between atmospheric pressure between two regions, air moves from the region of higher pressure to the region of lower pressure. So there is a relationship between temperature and pressure. When the temperature is high, pressure is low. When the temperature is low, pressure is high. And wind always move from the high pressure to low pressure. The monsoon is a seasonal wind which blow in a fixed direction during a particular season. In our India, rain occurs mainly during the rainy season from June to September, June, July. Okay, during the month June, July. So, because of the monsoon wind is a seasonal wind. It means it blow only during a particular season. The monsoon affects the climate of a large part of India. Other seasonal winds also blow over different parts of country. Next factor is western disturbance. So during winter season, most of the places experience clear sky. Now also you can see clear sky, low temperature, low humidity and light and cool wind. These conditions are disturbed by cyclones coming from the Mediterranean Sea. These cyclonic winds are known as western disturbance.